Today's video is going to be a 7 days green tea face pack challenge. This is DIY face packs. We are going to start from this day and continue it for a week. Different varieties of packages with green tea. We are going to add some other stuffs each day and going to make DIY green tea packs. So trying this, we are going to explore how well it's going to suit our face and how well it's giving glow, or how much effects does it have on our face. That's what I'm going to try. You can also follow each day and you can also do this. So 7 days DIY green tea pack challenge. This is day 1. So day 1, what I'm going to use is I'm going to utilize 2 things. Green tea, only 2 things are needed for this: green tea and ink nut powder. You can watch. Here I have a box of powdered ink nut. I have purchased ink nut and I have powdered it. So this is ink nut powder, and in tumbler I am having green tea. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to apply it all over my face. Make the content a bit watery. First mine was a bit solidified and I found it hard to apply, so I added 2 more spoons and I made it watery so that it's a bit easy for me to apply. So I have applied it. I have also applied to my neck. Why to neglect the neck? So you can see I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes and let me see what the after effects are. I've already used it. I'm just showing you what the after effects are. You can find some glow, and obviously it was very bright for my face when I used it first time. So you can see after me washing it. I'm after my face wash. This is my face after washing it. So I think it's making some wonders. Yes, it's working. You can also try it out. You can see, you can also apply and you can also try it out. Tomorrow, day 2 challenge, I will see you with another DIY green tea pack. Until then, bye.